Once you have a name for your band, the next thing to do is to brand it. The term branding refers to establishing your name in the public and making everyone aware that it is your name and what the name is used for. So, in the case of a band, making sure everyone knows your band's name. A lot of times, to brand a name, it's great to come up with things like merchandise and a logo so that you can have your name imprinted upon the public. Some examples of stickers for bands that brand the name include this. This is easy because it can be placed in a variety of areas, making more people aware of your name. You can also create business cards. Business cards help sell your band and make them exposed. There are other types of stickers that can be used. Another thing that you can use is t-shirts and merchandise. This t-shirt has the name of the band, and it's also attached to a picture or a design. Having a picture attached to the name is good because it helps people have a visual to remember your band by.